Hey guys, so welcome in the tutorial of Solidworks. So today we are going to see that how can you add geometric tolerance to any geometry in Solidworks. So this video is going to be very long, so be prepared for this one. So now as you can see, previously we have discussed, like we have seen that how can you give datum. So now I'm going to delete this datum. I'm going to use only a few datums so that it will not get very congested. So let's define this is a datum and I can edit this datum. So just write it a, okay, small a, let's make it capital. So this is the datum a. Define next datum, let's say let's first select this top line and go to datum feature. Let's say this is b. Okay, so I'll give me a second. So let's click on this, make it p. Okay, again it's small, let's make it capital. Okay, so I have defined two datums a, b. I also need to define the third one. Okay, let's define this third datum also. Datum feature, let's say this is c. Okay, make it c. Okay, so I have defined three datums and now I'm going to give geometric tolerance to this. So you can see here, these are the geometric tolerances available for any geometry, like form, like it is the for individual features like flatness, roundness, straightness, cylindricity. For the profile, you have profile for line, for surface, orientation, angularity, parallelism, perpendicularity, and for location, you have position, concentricity, symmetry, and runout. For you have circular and total runout. So how can you give this all these things? So for this you need to go geometric tolerance here, click on this, so you will get this dialog box. Now you can see this very geez, like it's very congested thing. Here you can, if you click on this symbol, you can get all this like straightness, flatness, circularity, cylindricity, profile of line, profile of surface, parallel, perpendicular, angularity, circular runout, total runout, position, concentricity, and symmetry. So these are the like 4, 12, 13, 14, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 geometric tolerance which you can give. So let's say we are going to give straightness. So click on this, tolerance 1. Here give the value, let's say 0.001. You can see here the how it's going to come out. Okay, the symbol. Click on OK. You can drag it and you can click on this. So here you can see here the thing is that it's related to, let's say this one, and you can make it like this. Okay, so this is the one thing you can do. The next thing how you can do this, so select this this datum, and after selecting the datum you can click on geometric tolerance. Okay, and now you can give, let's say, perpendicular, like the flatness, give the geometric tolerance as, let's say, 0.002. Okay, click on OK, and you can see here it will come here. You can put it like this. So that's the way to give this geometric tolerances. Now let's see another method how to give that. So let's going for this circularity. Here let's give tolerance, let's say 0.005, and you can give tolerance 2, let's say 0.001, and then you can see here this is maximum material limit which you can give it, like if you want m for maximum material limit, click here. You can see you can give free state, you can give projected tolerance, and you can give translation. But here it will remove it, it will take it out if you give the translation. Height, if you want, you can give, let's say 0.001 or say 0.02. And this is a blow frame. If you want to write something, let's say free or top, you can write it. Click on OK, and you can put this like this. And if you want to give this arrow, you can click on this arrow, select this, and you can put like here. This is the multi-choke leader, and you have this no leader, you have band leader. So let's see how can you do this one. So again, let's go to geometric tolerance, and now let's give some like symmetry and give tolerance of value of 0.01. and let's say we have datum, primary datum A, secondary datum B. Click on OK, and you can move it, let's say over here. And now you can join this like this, and you can move it like this. So in this way we are going to give something geometric tolerance to our geometry. Now let's give the angularity. Let's say tolerance, like, so we are going to give length at 30 degree. Let's say the angle is going to be only, let's say 1 tolerance is very low, and let's say second tolerance is -1. Primary datum we have, let's say C, and click on OK. We are going to give for this, click put it here, and now click on this, select to this line, this surface, and put it over here. We are not going to give these symbols. This I'm just checking for this for my concern. Okay, so you have given this angularity tolerance, and now again go to geometry tolerance. Let's see, let's say profile line. So tolerance value, let's say 0.09. and now here for primary datum we are going to give a M, let's A, I'm writing A over here, M. Okay, so you have to write A and then M, B, L, and let's say for C we have S. And so you are getting the preview over here. This is for the first. Click on OK, and you can put it over here, and we are going to give this arrow, move the cursor for this line, so this way. So now let's give the last one, let's say position tolerance value, let's 0.004, and you can play, like you can learn by doing by yourself. Whatever thing you want, you can learn by this. Okay, so now, so you have, see here, you can have diameter, you have spherical diameter, this is the maximum material condition, you have least material condition regardless of feature size, you have tangent plane, free state, statistical, you have project tolerance, and this is the free, this is the translation. So let's say you have diameter and primary datum is, let's say B. Click on OK, and you can move this over here, and we're going to give this for this circular. Click on this, move it over for this circle like this. So in this way you can give pretty much all geometric tolerance to your geometry. For like this, all 14 geometric tolerance you can give to your geometry in this way. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you have any comment, post the comment below on this video, and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.